Using Buddypress to power your community with over 100,000 users, it's a popular choice. But what if you're ready for more customization? By default, Buddypress gives you standard profile tabs like Profile, Activity, and Friends. But making changes like adding new tabs or customizing the layout often requires custom coding, and that's not simple for everyone. Youzify gives you the flexibility to customize profile tabs. No code needed. I will guide you step by step regarding this feature. Go to Youzify panel, Profile Settings, Tab Settings. In this page, you can set default tab you want, hide tabs you want, and edit the tabs. Change a tab's title or add an icon. You've got hundreds of icons to choose from. You can even order the tabs however you like. Go to Youzify panel, Profile Settings, Custom Tab Settings. Once you're already in this page, please click Add New Tab button. Then you can set it show for non-logged in or not, add title, select, and select tab type. If you select link tab type, then if people click it, it will redirect automatically to the page you have set. If you select link shortcode, you can display HTML content or shortcode from others plugin. The best part is, you can edit the new tab easily on the tab setting page. Like other tabs, you can change the title, icon, and order the tab. It's incredibly easy. Just a few clicks and you are all set. No coding, no fuss. Ready to level up your Buddypress experience? Get started with Youzify today for free and take your community to the next level.